open up some boxes, take a look and tell you what we think of them. I've already had a sneak peek. They're really good. The packaging is fantastic, real good protection. So when we're shipping them out, we know that they're not going to get bashed around. They look incredible. I think that's the first thing to address before we even get to the performance side. They look great. Brembo are really proud of them. They've whacked their logo on the disc so you can be shouting about the fact that you've got a nice Brembo disc on there, and then it's got the slotted pattern as well. Now the slotted pattern is really important. This is the same slotted pattern that Brembo have put onto all their GT Endurance Championship cars. They've been used in Le Mans, so you know that they're going to be putting a lot of effort into how long they're lasting, how much performance they're putting through, and also the quality of the disc. Nothing takes more beating than a car in Le Mans or rally cars, which again Brembo support, and they've used the exact same pattern. So your pedal is going to be constant. It means you're going to get the endurance, and it means you've got the confidence to brake at any time, especially when partnered with the HP 2000 pad. So let's take a close up of the design of the disc. Looking at the slots on the disc, the slots themselves are improving friction, they're keeping the temperatures down, and they're giving you a much more consistent pedal feel. This pattern here is really good for modulating the brakes and giving you a much smoother pedal feel, everything that you want when you're trying to get that sportier drive. So we've got all the popular discs in stock. We've got your BMW M140s, the M135i of course, we've got Fiesta STs, we've got a lot of the VAG range, the Golfs, the GTIs, the Rs. So do head over to breakingupgrade.co.uk, which is where you're going to find everything you need from the Brembo Upgrade range, including the Gran Turismo discs, which we've covered in an earlier video. So please do check it out and grab yourself an absolute deal at the moment. Thanks again for watching, guys. We're really enjoying all the comments. Please do like and subscribe. It's really giving us that boost to go and make some more videos there. So do go check out the channel if you haven't already. And yeah, give it that little notification and the subscribe button a little click, as everybody says.